Shares of Amazon in party mode. The stock hit another all-time high. It's outperforming its FANG peers over the past couple months. And the company has added to its list of partnerships today by bringing Party City into the fold.
I see what you did there.
If you look at the list of retailers that have just thrown in the towel and said, look, if you can't beat them, join them, it's hard to see what, if anything, stands in the way of Amazon's growth. Where does the company go from here? Let's bring in Priya Anand, the Amazon reporter for The Information, and Yusuf Scully, head of Internet and Digital Media Research at SunTrust Robinson Humphrey. He has a buy rating on the stock and a price target of $2,150. Explain your rationale for that price.
Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. So you mentioned earlier that even the largest brands out there are finally deciding to just to join the party, so to speak, and use Amazon as a distribution platform. So on the e-commerce side, Amazon continues to grow 1.5 to 2 times the rate of its competitors, of its online competitors. They continue to do wonderfully in those 2 new areas that they've penetrated in the last 10 years, meaning AWS, which is their cloud business. They're doing extremely well in the advertising business. Both of these areas are multi-billion-dollar and showed accelerating growth rate. All the while, last quarter, what really got us excited is that for the first time in a long time, they showed dramatic margin leverage, which we've been waiting for literally for the last 10 years. So honestly, outside of potential regulatory risk and potential regulatory headlines, we think this is a, still a very attractive with very long runway ahead of it.
You know, Priya, the problem with becoming Goliath is that you make an easy target of yourself. Does Amazon have an Achilles heel? Not to mix metaphors.
Oh.
Well, at this point, a lot of other retailers have been partnering with them as well. Best Buy partnered with them earlier this year, too, to sell smart TVs. One area where Amazon's been trying to grow and has seen some challenges, though, is on the voice shopping side. Alexa's really been touted. They've sold about 50 million Alexa devices in the last couple of years. And of all those people who have these devices, only about 2% of them actually have used them to shop this year. That's a pretty low percentage. Now, could that grow? There's certainly room there, but it has been a challenge for people to really grasp onto that strategy that they've been hoping would take off.